Sabihin mo lang in love ka na sa akin. Ito naman si Bigel. Parang bakla na yata. Tutulog din ako, ginagalaw niyo ako. Ano ba? Ano pag gusto
kasi
niyo,
may
kuya?
patakaran dito, hindi dito pwede matulog. Naiintindihan mo yun?
Oo, naintindihan ko, pero ako naman magpagalitan ni
Siya
kuya.
naman
Hindi
ang
naman
kami.
ikaw eh. Di ba?
Hindi naman kayo eh.
Oo, no. Hindi naman sila, no?
Hayaan niyo siya.
Oo, hayaan mo ko. Pinayaan na kita ng ligaw ka ng iba eh. Hindi ka ba nakonsensya ang boyfriend mo? Pinalitan mo ni Kevin?
Pinalitan?
Sus,
Sino ang boyfriend mo?
grabe mo pa mo.
Grabe,
Pati naman ako. Pinalitan mo ako.
Wala.
My heart, reliable to see you. My goodness.
Ako?
My heart.
Wala akong boyfriend.
Sabihin mo, nababakla na ba kayo? Ano, Bigel? Nababakla na kayo sa akin? May makatikim ng bulita sa akin.
Toothpick lang. Kabulitas lang talaga yan.
Toothpick. Magbiro kayo sa lasing, huwag sa natutulog. Thank you.
Biniro ka.
Yay! Sumasabog ng mga puso. Ano, may kusanada sa akin? Ano?
Sorry.
Don't say it because you're... Don't say it because you're...
Say cheese. Say cheese.
Ay,
Bro. Basta bro. Hindi ka pa rin natutulog. Natulog na ako. Stylean mo. Gawin mo pare.
uy, basa ka pre, basa.
Basta bro.
Basa.
Grabe. Basta sino yan?
Ikaw.
Ako kanina.
Huwag yung lasing pala.
Sa mukha.
Para hindi ko makatulog ba?
Para sa inyo, ganun sa inyo pag gano'n. Bago matulog.
Kuha ka na lang upuan sa labas. Tapos lagay mo
Huwag
dito.
ka upan, pre.
Sorry, God.
Hindi, okay lang. Basta ano kasi, tutulugan.
Ano mo na tubig pa inom?
Tutulugan yan mamaya.
Ba't may pakindat
Inlove
pa?
ka sa akin? Sino gindat?
Kay pa mo, kumindat ka pa.
Siyempre, nainlove ako yun. Sabihin mo lang. Ibigay ko pati kaluwa-luwa ko.
Kuya, ba't kayo nagpapasok ng ganyan dito? Ano yan? Ano meron yan?
Kapoy.
Hindi pala yun yung totoong kigoy. Mas matindi pa pala ngayon.
No, it's because it's got into his head now.
Wow! Grabe!
Wala.
Kailan?
Wow!
Even Kigoy, try to searching.
Oh, of course.
Hindi, alam mo ba,
No, don't worry. Don't think about it.
Wag mo isipin yung paa mo, nalakad lang yung
Don't take it
utak mo.
personally.
They poison your brain.
That's what they're here for.
Hayaan mo siya.
But he said
They came in the outside world.
Yeah, just irritating.
It's like outside world.
Pressing her button.
You're here because you love people.
Oh my God.
The people loves you.
And he's not for a reason.
Ha? Basta be strong. Huwag mong dibdibin yun. Hayaan mo. Pagpasok dito, ilampas mo dito.
Just leave it.
That's distraction.
Yan
Distraction.
Distraction
Distraction.
nyo.
Yes, don't mind
Yan.
it, okay?
Don't mind it.
Yes, ma-apply natin ngayon yung turo ni
Distraction.
Kuya.
That's why when he's blah.
Ma-apply ngayon dito yung turo ni Kuya. Yung kung ano sabihin niya, pak, huwag mo na nang tawanan, huwag mo
Purpose
pansinin.
is
Yeah,
broken
just laugh,
us. Broken us.
Di
Distraction.
man,
Their purpose is distraction, right? Yeah.
I think, di ba, dati nagawa natin, hindi natin siya napansin, ignore. Pag
Just
siya nagaganyan
ignore.
dyan, ignore.
Okay? Just
Huwag yung tawanan. Ano?
Don't worry.
Para si Chi, huwag mong tawanan. Pag naganon siya.
Even me,
Huwag mo na lang sagutan. Kaya
Even
mo,
me,
magpintuhan tayo ng ibang
talk
topic.
to them.
if
I
you-
feel bad. Yeah, when I talk to them. Yeah.
Grabe, basta. It's gonna be baho mamaya.
Yeah.
Don't worry about
Hindi,
it.
kahit pag-alis si Kiki, papalitan ko, inututan niyo ba?
Whatever.
Sorry Kuya, pero, totoo po, ako, napilit ko maging isang tao sa kanya, pero hindi tao inabalik niyo sa akin, parang baboy.
Baboy. Okay lang. We just have to be real. Just say,
Don't mind them.
just
Just ignore. You know, their purpose is distraction. Distract our
Oh,
task.
that's why we made it perfectly, because if they win, paano yung matitira dito?
Yeah.
No,
Me, I don't
one's
know.
winning. We're winning.
Oo. Kaya bigyan natin yung full natin 100%.
Just be strong. Yeah, okay?
Pamo,
Kagabi, wag na akong
just
strong.
Pamo, if Kiko is here and he's irritating you, just leave labas ka. Don't listen to him.
Yeah.
Just leave. So don't say anything, just leave.
Oh.
He'll feel less important if you just walk away.
Sa amin, nagawa namin. Pag yan ay nagawala dito, di namin napansin. Ignore namin yan.
Yeah, and
just
you don't have to listen to him.
Pakinggan.
He's not
Tapos sinabihan niya ako
That
ng
is
mga
not
bastos
true,
sa
right?
salita.
It's not true, right?
Yeah, it's not.
Bahay ni sinabihan ako bastos sa salita.
Totally
Kung ano,
fiction.
Hindi man. Yung
It's
sinabi
not
niya na
true.
yun, yung bastos yun.
Pero it's just because
Grabe, ano na yun. Below the belt na yung mga sinasabi niya.
Oo.
Kuya, grabe,
Pero
nagpapasok kasi
just walk away. Don't say anything.
Be
Just get
strong
up and leave.
and think the way we will win, okay? We can do it, yeah.
We can win. We
Yeah,
just
we
have to
can
stay.
We can win.
So just be
We have
strong.
to
Yeah.
be strong. Make sure there's always people here. Yeah. Hi. No, okay,
Sige.
go.
Gusto mo mag-swimming kayo na lang.
No, we're okay, thank you.
Sorry. Kayo na lang mag-swimming.
We're okay, thanks.
Kami nagkakwentuhan.
Kwento-kwento lang.
Salamat. Nagkakwentuhan kami.
Oh, we don't have to be nice.
Oo.
We don't have to be nice.
Sino man nagawa nila, oh? Min na yan.
This is our task.
Oh, yung nagawa nila.
We
Patas pa
don't
ba
have
yan?
to be nice.
Grabe naman.
It's true. There's no point.
Ayoko pa naman makatuto si ibang tao ng ganyan.
Ako din.
Ayoko, nagiging masama din ako.
It's just grabe.
Pag ako may iba talaga. Pag ako nagbuo yung mga kalokohan ko sa isip ko, pag nadala ko dito yung mga kalokohan ko, masyado akong malukubay.
And plus, they're here for a task. They're not here to be our friends.
Hindi. Nagawa na tayo nila. Naasar na tayo nila. Naasar na tayo nila.
Pero they're here for a task. And if you feel like it, just leave. We'll always be here. Because it's dependent on the person. He picks on you. Same with Mama Lou. She picks on some people. Tin.
Ako walang nagapik sa akin.
Mama Lou sometimes ako. And Kiko eh.
Ako
Sa
din.
akin walang nagapik sa akin.
Ako din. But I just...
Leave it.
Just
Kasi
don't mind it.
alam nila hindi ko sila
Leave
inapan.
it. Yeah, yeah.
Then they walk
Yeah,
away.
yeah, yeah.
Because they get bored.
Yeah, yeah.
Or if they know it hurts you, keep talking.
Yeah, keep talking.
True that.
And then,
But it's hard. It's
If
hard.
if we are win, I want to shout super.
Ako
And
din.
they faces that.
Oh,
Woo! I say that so very loud.
ako din.
May feelings and stress to go out.
better understand that is their purpose and that is their...
Sorry, come in.
Sorry pa rin later.
Dude, he's freaking sitting on the
They're
bed.
wet, then they are lying
I
on the
told
bed.
him, I was like, can you not sit on the bed? Well, stand up, sit down. And then he goes, there, sit down.
And Kigoy.
Kiko,
Kigoy na
Yeah.
spam mo.
grabe.
Lahat kami, ako.
Anong ginawa niya?
Saying so much shit, man.
Anong mga shit?
Mga bastos.
Yeah.
Kahit ako nasabihan ng mga bastos. Kami dalawa ni Parang Sechi.
Like,
Nabadingan tayo ba?
just
Nabadingan
mean
tayo sa akin.
stuff.
Yung mabulitas ko pa yung ganun.
Mama not even doing it, you're just sitting here. Look, he's just talking.
Kasi hindi ko na siya pinag...
Ay, Tom.